Bitcoin is up nearly 30% in less than a week. And in today's video, we're going to be having a look at some technical analysis on where Bitcoin can potentially go in the daily and weekly time frame. If you guys like these daily cryptocurrencies videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn the notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Starting off with some news. Bitcoin adds nearly 1 million non-zero addresses in under 1 month. What positive on-chain trends mean for the price of Bitcoin? So guys, nothing can stop Bitcoin. Bitcoin keeps on growing. Government cannot stop it. Banks cannot stop it. No one can stop Bitcoin. It is absolutely impossible. So right here, let's have a look at some TA technical analysis. We can see that Bitcoin had a nice little beautiful rejection at the 200 moving average on the daily time frame. So we had this crazy pump right here ever since the beginning of the year. And of course, we know when we have a pump, we're usually going to come back and retest, right? And this is exactly what happened. We had a nice little correction before following a crazy 32% pump in less than a week. So this pump started last Saturday and we are currently Friday and we are up over 30% in 7 days. That is beyond insane for an asset like Bitcoin that is worth over $400 billion. If we have a look at Bitcoin on the 200 moving average, we can see that Bitcoin is finally breaking above the 200 moving average for the first time since July 15, 2022. Now that's over half a year ago we are seeing that. And the big question is will Bitcoin maintain and stay above the 200 moving average on the weekly time frame? Because the weekly time frame does end in 2 days and 9 hours. So there's a lot of time before bears can come back and start shorting and essentially reject that zone and seeing Bitcoin come below and fall below the 200 moving average. Now we saw rejection right here twice. We saw Bitcoin peak above the 200 moving average coming back down. We saw this fake out right here. Now, if Bitcoin manages to break above, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a massive move all the way to $30,000 in the coming weeks. Now, another thing that I want to talk about is this inverse head and shoulder that Bitcoin is currently in. Now, for those of you guys who don't know what an inverse head and shoulder is, essentially when you have a swing on the left, a big swing on the right. This would be the head right here. So you got the left shoulder head and then the right shoulder, and of course followed by a neckline. So the neckline would be something like this. Okay, now how do you calculate a target for the inverse head and shoulder? Well, you would take the top of the neckline to the bottom of the head and then you would extend that. Now if we extend that, we can see that Bitcoin actually, our target should be somewhere right here. Okay, now right here falls below exactly or above exactly our previous support that flipped into a resistance. So this is a very important level. Can we see Bitcoin fly all the way to as high as $30,000 in the coming weeks? Yes, but a few things would happen first. One would be the 200 moving average and two would be the exponential moving average. And both of them are looking very good, as you guys can see right now. Bitcoin currently traded at 26,374. We need to see both these candles closed above these regions, because if we see Bitcoin close above 26,000 by the end of the week, we're most likely going to have a massive pump in the coming weeks. So that is my quick TA on Bitcoin. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.